Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Trello boards for personal productivity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Launch the Trello application or visit the Trello website. Create a new board by clicking on the Create New Board option. Give your board a descriptive title that reflects its purpose. Select a background color or image that suits your personal style. Set the visibility of the board to private for personal use. Add lists to your board to represent different stages of your tasks. Consider using labels for organization, like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Create cards under the relevant lists to represent specific tasks or projects. Include a clear title for each card and add a detailed description. Utilize due dates to set timelines for each task. Attach relevant files or links directly to the cards for easy reference. Add checklists to cards for breaking down tasks into smaller steps. Assign color-coded labels to cards for better visual organization. Utilize the comments section to add notes or updates regarding the task. Set reminders to help keep you on track with deadlines. Move cards between lists to reflect progress as you work through tasks. Experiment with automation by using Trello's Butler feature for repeated actions. Review your board regularly to adjust tasks and lists as necessary. Reflect on completed tasks to assess productivity and areas for improvement. Make adjustments to your workflow based on what works best for you. Continue refining your Trello setup to enhance your personal productivity over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.